Imagine sailing through the open ocean. No storm, no warning, no escape. And then, out of nowhere, a wall of water taller than a 10-story building rises in front of you. Not a wave, a monster. This is not a myth. This is a rogue wave, and they are real. For hundreds of years, sailors told the same terrifying story. Waves appearing from nowhere, towering walls of water that crushed ships in seconds. Scientists laughed. They called them exaggerations, sea myths, hallucinations caused by fear. According to physics, waves like this were impossible. The ocean simply couldn't create them, or so we thought. Then, in 1995, everything changed. An oil platform in the North Sea, the Draupner platform, recorded something shocking. A single wave, over 25 meters high, striking the structure without warning. The data was undeniable. Rogue waves weren't myths. They were real and far more powerful than anyone imagined. Normal waves follow patterns. Rogue waves don't. They form when multiple waves suddenly combine, stacking energy into one unstoppable force. They rise almost vertically, strike with the force of a collision, and disappear as quickly as they appear. Ships are designed to survive storms, not instant walls of water. That's why massive cargo ships and even military vessels have vanished without sending a distress signal. Entire ships have gone missing in calm seas. No wreckage, no survivors. Investigators now believe rogue waves were responsible for dozens of unexplained maritime disasters. Some waves are estimated to reach 30 meters, taller than a blue whale standing upright. And the scariest part? We still can't predict when or where they'll strike. The ocean looks calm, but beneath the surface, forces are moving beyond our control. Rogue waves remind us of a terrifying truth. Nature doesn't warn, it doesn't negotiate, and sometimes the impossible is only impossible until it happens.